Assalamu alaikum grade 5 students. My name is Muhammad Salman and I am your new English teacher. As we all know about the final term syllabus notice which was posted in our classes. So in our final term you will study specific chapters of English and specific grammatical structures. And the first chapter of our final term is the Skylark poem. The theme of this poem is animals and plants as well as the grammatical structure which I will teach you in this chapter, that is sentence making and parts of speech. I will teach you these grammatical structures as our chapter ends. So let's start our chapter, the Skylark. Skylark is a brown colored bird which flies over the cornfield. So first of all let's talk about the writer. Christina Rossetti. Christina Rossetti was born in 1830 in London and she passed away in 1894. She began writing poetry when she was a teenager. Her poems soon became very popular. In this poem, she described the song and flight of a skylark on a bright morning. So let's start our poem. The earth was green, the sky was blue. I saw and heard one sunny morn a skylark hang between the two, a singing speck above the corn. Means she is describing the weather. In first two lines she is describing the weather that was a green, sky blue and sunny morning. Morn is a short form of morning. When she saw a sky lark is hanging between the sky and the earth, and the skylark is singing above the corn, means it's traveling, it's flying over the cornfields. The second stanza, the stage below in gay accord, white butterflies danced on the wing, and still the singing skylark sought and silent sang and sought to sing. She described that when the skylark was flying between the earth and sky, there was a stage below of butterflies dancing with their wings, as well as when the skylark is moving, they are making a circle or wheel, means the butterflies are moving in a circle or in a wheel shape cyclone. The cornfield stretched and tender green to right and left besides my walks. I knew he had a nest unseen somewhere among the million stalks. Means in this paragraph the writer is saying that the cornfields were stretched like a green tender, and she was walking right to left beside the cornfields. As well as she said that she knew that the stork will have nest with the million of other storks. And as I paused to hear his song, while swift his sunny moments slid, perhaps his mate sat listening long and listened longer than I did. So in the last stanza she said that she paused and wanted to hear the song of skylark, and the sunny moment that she saw had passed as well. Perhaps his mate sat listening, and she said that she just wanted to be a partner of that in that song and listen it longer as much she can. So that was our first chapter of final term poem explanation, page number 46, the Skylark. And the thing you should do is to read this poem again, and if you have any sort of confusion you can ask me on Google Classroom in the comment section. Till my next video, stay at home, stay safe, save lives, and we will start our grammatical structure after as we finish the chapter about that written work as well and activities of this chapter 2. So thank you very much. Stay at home, stay safe, safe lives. Thank you.